Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So when people go to your channel, do you want them to see nothing, no subscribers on your YouTube channel? Well, this is very easy to do. Let's go over to my second screen right now, and I'll show you how to do this. So here's my third YouTube channel. You can see I have 16 subscribers right here. Let's go ahead and get rid of that so no one sees anything. So I'm on youtube.com right now. Let's go to the upper right hand side of the screen to our profile picture and select this. Now this drop down window will appear. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Now under YouTube Studio, let's go to the left hand side and scroll down all the way to settings right here and select this. Now under settings, let's go to channel and then go over to advanced settings. Under this list, we can scroll down a little bit. Then you'll see subscriber count located right here. Go ahead and uncheck mark this. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Uncheck mark it and save. Now let's go to my channel. I'll reload this page. And you can see my subscriber count has now disappeared from my YouTube channel. So this will also be removed when you're commenting on people's posts or if you're in like a live stream. So it's very easy to get rid of your subscriber count on YouTube. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more YouTube tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.